Awesome viewers and subscribers near and far, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're all okay and doing well and staying safe. As you all know, Sunday the 14th of March is Mother's Day, and I am going to prepare a Mother's Day meals with you guys so that you can pamper your mom and treat her well and cook her a Mother's Day meal what she will enjoy in the comfort of her own home. And what I'm making for Mother's Day, I'll be doing jerk chicken, bake in the oven, and over here I'm also doing curry chicken, and I've already uploaded a video on my channel so you guys can have a browse through my channel and you will come across this video and it will explain exactly how to cook your curry chicken. And right here is white rice to go with my curry chicken. Also do an upload for white rice and curry chicken. And over here is some steamed vegetables, and right here is some potato what I'm cooking, and I'm gonna mash this potato to go with my meal. And over here is some white onions, spring onions, and some vegetable peppers, a bit of garlic, a bit of tomato, and some fresh thyme. So I've already done all my curry chicken, and I've already done my white rice, and I've already done my steamed vegetables. And like I said, I've already done an upload. So guys, please don't say how comes I didn't show you how to do the curry chicken and the white rice, because I've already done an upload. And all you have to do is just have a browse through my channel, and you will come across this video. And you can watch the video, and then you can learn from it. And you can prepare your own curry chicken and white rice dish. Okay, so back to my chicken now. This is a small chicken. It's all washed with lemon juice and vinegar. Like I said, if you don't have lemon juice, you can wash it with lime, you can wash it with vinegar. I wash my chicken 3 times, and I make sure my chicken is well washed and it's cleaned and it's ready for seasoning. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to give my hands a good wash, and then I'll get straight into seasoning this chicken. My hands are all clean. I'm not wearing no gloves because I do not like to wear gloves when I'm seasoning my meat. I prefer to give my hands a good wash and then season my chicken or whatever meat I'm seasoning. I prefer to do it that way. So what I'm gonna do, guys, it's a whole oven baked chicken, and I'm gonna add some jerk sauce to this chicken. I want this chicken to be very nice and delicious because it's a Mother's Day special meal. So let's get started. So like you can see, chicken is all clean and looking good and ready for seasoning. So right here I'm just using some Cajun seasoning, and I'm gonna slightly do it a different way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of Cajun seasoning, a bit of turmeric seasoning, mixed herbs, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning. Jerk seasoning. I'm using a lot of different seasoning because I want this chicken to taste really, really good. I want all the flavors to just melt away in your mouth when you're eating this chicken. So here is chicken seasoning. Black pepper. So I've got all my season here, and I'm just gonna add some paprika, onion seasoning, and then this is my jerk seasoning. So guys, just look what I'm doing. I'm combining all of my ingredients together. And I also going to add small amount of vegetable oils. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. You can rub the seasoning dry on the chicken if you like, but I prefer to do it this way. Okay. So I'm getting ready now to season this chicken. Right, so I'm gonna start on the inside, and then I'm going to work my way on the outside. My oven is already preheat. So when I finish seasoning this chicken, I'm gonna put it on my baking tray, put it in my oven and bake it, and gas mark 8 for 20 minutes. Guys, I'm giving this chicken a right good pampering because remember, it's Mother's Day meal. And guys, we celebrate Mother's Day here in England on the 14th of March. In Jamaica, I think they celebrate in May, and I don't know for the rest of country, but I'm also wishing you a happy Mother's Day in advance. And this meal what I'm preparing right here is Mother's Day meal. So guys, please give your mom a day to remember. We only have one mom, so let's spoil her on her special day. My mom is in Jamaica. It's a shame she's not here so that I can spoil her. But I'll be thinking of her, and I will be wishing her all the best on Mother's Day. So guys, like you can see, my chicken is all seasoned from the inside, and then I slowly work my way on the outside, and I'm making sure this chicken is well seasoned to the bone. I'm just going to add a little bit more of my jerk seasoning. If your mom like it very spicy, then you can add as much jerk sauce as you want to add. But if she don't like it spicy, then you don't have to add a lot. And you don't have to just make chicken. You can make whatever meal you want to make your mom, you know, of your choice. That's your choice. I'm just showing you this meal, but you can make her meal of your own choice. And if you don't have all of these ingredients, guys, don't worry about it. Just make do with what you got. It's just like the more season you have, is the more outstanding flavor you will get from your meal. And what I like when I'm eating a meal, I can taste all the flavors from the meal. And guys, I don't have time to marinate my chicken because I'm teaching you guys my cooking skill from start to finish. So you leave me no choice but to skip marinate and just keep showing you what to do. But when I'm cooking off camera, I always marinate my meat because that is different. And guys, I tell you something, it's so easy when you're cooking off camera. Absolutely easy. Because when you're cooking off camera, there's no camera on you, so you can do whatever you want to do. But when you're cooking with the camera on you, it makes it a little bit more challenging, but I really enjoy doing it. And that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty, guys. I really enjoy doing it. Guys, like I said, cooking is my passion. My kitchen, I love my kitchen. I just love to be in my kitchen, and I just love to cook. It's a shame I don't have a lot of time because I'm always busy working, so I don't have much time to cook, but I really enjoy cooking. So guys, my chicken is now seasoned and it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm just gonna bake it for 20 minutes, and then you guys, when I'm back, you will see the result. Okay guys, I'm going to make some gravy to go with my roast chicken. So let's start making my gravy. I'm just gonna use a little bit of flour and margarine. It gives the gravy a very nice taste, but I'm not using much. So I'm just gonna wait until my margarine is all melt. Once it's melt, then I'll add all my ingredients. Guys, I'm doing a lot of cooking for Mother's Day, but it's a special occasion and it's only once a year. So why not cook up a storm? butter is all melt, and I'm just adding my white onions. Guys, as you can see, I'm using a lot of onions. I've used one large white onions, and I've used a good amount of spring onions, and I'm using my vegetable peppers, red and green vegetable peppers. And I'm also using my tomato with my hot scotch bonnet pepper and crushed garlic. So I'm just gonna give these a stir and let it cook for a while, and then I will add some boiling water. Then I'll leave it to finish cook. So because I've added a lot of ingredients, that's what made my gravy turn out really thick and delicious. So I'm just adding a bit of sweet chili sauce to my gravy. Just to give it a bit of kicks and to let the flavor stand out. And I'm also adding a bit of dark soy sauce to give it a bit of a color. Wow, look at that, guys. That is looking really good. So, but when I add the water, some boiling water, I'm just going to leave it to cook out. And once it's cooked out, then the gravy will get thick. So it's all the ingredients what you add, that's what make the gravy thick. And if you don't add the right amount, then the gravy won't thick. And if you add too much water, then the gravy will be runny. And we don't want runny gravy. We are looking for really rich and tasty gravy. So I'm just going to add my boiling water. So I'm just adding my boiling water. So guys, just pay close attention what I'm doing. So look guys, I've just added that's my boiling water what I've just added. Look at my gravy. So it just needs to boil out, and then it will get really thick, rich and thick. Look at it already. Can you see all the amount of ingredients what I've added? Lots of ingredients. So once these ingredients are cooked out, then you'll end up having a rich, thick and tasty gravy. Guys, like you can see, look, my gravy is all getting thick now. And like you can see, all my vegetables, onions, vegetable peppers, all my ingredients basically cooking out. So that's what I'm doing, I'm just smashing them out. And look guys, my gravy is all thick now, so it's ready for turning off. So I'm just gonna turn this heat off now. Guys, I'm just gonna cream my potato now. So I'm just adding a bit of my Flora margarine, not a lot, just a little bit. And I'm also adding a bit of parsley to give it a bit of flavor. And I'm just going to rinse my potato mash. And I'm just going to cream my potato. finishing it off with my fork. Potato is all creamy and looking very good and smells very good. So that's my cream potato to go with my meal. Guys, my Mother's Day meal are all ready and it's all looking good. It was a hard work because there's a lot of things I prepare, as you can see. Right here I've got my curry chicken. Right here I've got my oven baked jerk chicken. Over here my white rice, my mashed potato, my vegetables and my gravy. And right here is a bottle of bubbly to wash it down. And over here, candle. Right here, flowers. So to me, I think this is a lovely meal for Mother's Day. So guys, I am just gonna have a bit of taste and I'll tell you guys what I think about my meal. So let me have a bit of taste. First, I'm gonna have a bit of taste of my chicken. So I'm going to dip my chicken straight into my gravy. And I'm going to give you guys a little taste. And then I'm going to have a little taste. Very nice. All tender. Very juicy. I can taste all the ingredients. It's very, very nice. Guys, so nice that I can hardly get the word out. That's how nice it is. And I'm gonna have a taste of my curry chicken. So this is my curry chicken right here. Curry chicken. This food is very delicious. Wow. I'm gonna have a taste of my potato. Guy, I'm telling you, this meal is 100 out of 100. Honest to God, guy, I'm telling you, this meal is very, very delicious. And I'm gonna have a bit of taste of my potato. I'm tasting everything, guy. My cream potato. It just melt in my mouth. Wow. It just melt in my mouth. And I'm also gonna have taste of my vegetables, steamed vegetables. You know, vegetables very good for us. Steamed vegetables, broccoli. Wow, guy. Cauliflower, but I'm gonna dip this cauliflower straight into my gravy. Yeah, straight into my gravy and straight into my mouth. This meal takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it's worth it. Honest to God, guys, it's worth it. You couldn't have asked for a better Mother's Day meal. This meal made with love and passion. And it's really delicious. Beautiful Mother's Day meal, guys. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, couple like and share. Subscribe to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hope you enjoy watching my video. And please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And please support me on my cooking journey. It takes a lot of time and effort to prepare this meal. So guys, please support me. I love you guys. hoping to see you guys soon in my next video. Please stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos coming out, a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, guys, for you to enjoy. So see you soon and love you guys.